In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your Coinbase USD wallet. If you've been wondering how to manage your USD funds better, you're in the right place. We'll take you through the entire process from logging in to withdrawing cash to your bank, ensuring you have a solid grasp on how to utilize your Coinbase USD wallet effectively. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Coinbase account. If you're not already signed up, you'll need to create an account before you can proceed. It's always a good idea to ensure you have a secure password and that two-factor authentication is enabled for added security. Once you're logged in, the interface will guide you through to your homepage. Next, navigate to My Assets. Here, you'll spot a category called Cash. Click on it and you'll be directed to an overview of your cash balances. What you want to do is locate and select your USD wallet from this screen. This is where your deposited US dollars will be visible and accessible. Once you're in your USD wallet, you might be wondering how to add some funds. There are a couple of ways to deposit USD into your wallet. First, if you're holding any cryptocurrency you wish to convert into dollars, you can simply sell that crypto. The proceeds from this sale will be reflected in your USD wallet. Alternatively, you can transfer funds directly from your bank account into your wallet, a straightforward process that usually involves linking your bank account to your Coinbase account for seamless transactions. With funds safely deposited, you now have two primary options for using your USD balance. You can pursue the purchase of various cryptocurrencies directly from your wallet balance, making the most of market conditions to expand or diversify your crypto portfolio. Or if you need to send money to someone, your USD balance can facilitate that as well. Coinbase makes it easy to send funds to other users or external wallets, with transactions typically being swift and secure. Finally, if you've decided you'd like to use your USD balance outside of Coinbase, there's an easy way to transfer money back out. You can withdraw your USD funds directly to your linked bank account. Simply navigate to your USD wallet, select the option to withdraw, and follow the prompts to send your funds back to your bank. It's a useful feature when you need liquidity or wish to move your funds offline. And that's it. You're now equipped with the knowledge you need to manage your Coinbase USD wallet like a pro. We hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to make more informed financial moves with your Coinbase account. Thanks for watching and happy trading.